love. Will I find him tomorrow? Do your best, Mr. Love. I'll be waiting till then. Don't you know, Mr. Love, I can take all this sorrow. So if you have a time, he'll be mine once again. Please, please, listen, Mr. Love. Where is the boy that I'm dreaming of? Please, please, listen, Mr. Love. Bring him back home to me. what time